Holy moly, I am making the best red curry, creamy roasted pumpkin soup. This is my first time eating pumpkin soup ever, and I am in love. So, first, I got a little over a pound of pumpkin. This is, I bought a big one. I cut up in pieces and I froze them. So, first up, I just cut them up in little square pieces, about an inch long, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt. I'm gonna add the curry spices in later once we start making the actual soup. I was amazed with this recipe and I cannot wait to make it again. I will definitely change up a few things next time because the pumpkin itself is pretty sweet. So next time I want to do more spicier. I got a baking sheet, sprayed it down with coconut oil. Oh, did I mention this recipe is vegan? I'll put that in the title. All right, so I'm gonna just make sure everything is straight and not on top of each other. I'm gonna put the garlic right in the middle, and we're gonna bake this at 350 for 30 minutes until it's soft on the inside and slightly crispy brown on the outside. A hot pan. I'm gonna put my pumpkins in here. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm adding 2 cups of vegetable broth and a 13-ounce canned coconut milk from Target. I love that can that I got. And then also adding half tablespoon Thai red curry paste. Looks so good. But you try that milk, coconut milk from Target. It's super creamy and it doesn't have like weird aftertaste. I love it. I'm gonna cook this on low heat for about 10-15 minutes and then add 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1/4 garam masala. If you don't have that at home, then just add curry powder. It's very similar, but garam masala has some other spices too. And then you can either blend it in a Vitamix, like what I'm doing, a blender, or you can use the hand blender that you would just stick in. I could not find that somewhere, so I'm using a Vitamix blender and just on high blending mode until it's smooth and creamy. Make sure you taste in case it needs more salt. Look at that, beautiful. Also, this recipe is really good for older people or anyone with dentures or tooth pain. So people who cannot chew or have pain from chewing. I have some leftover from that coconut milk and I'm just gonna decorate it. This is not necessary, but I thought it would look more fancy with it, sticking in some greens just for decoration and a little bit of chili flakes. Look how beautiful that looks. I am absolutely in love with this soup and I had no idea I like pumpkin soup at all. I've always ate pumpkin in a sweet way in dessert, but this was amazing. Next time I'm gonna do probably with like Cajun spicing, making it like more southern. I'm not a big fan of curry, but this was absolutely amazing. Try it out. You will not regret it. I promise. Enjoy.